Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a dining slip cover uh, in TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online marketplace that delivers the product directly to consumer from China, and it's give a 90 days return policy. So here we'll just open TEMU. So here we will search for dining chair slip cover. Okay, so here we can see, so we can just open the first one or you can just open anyone. Okay, so this comes with the set of 4 and 6. Okay, so you can just choose anyone. So it have the elastic at the end, you can just fit the elastic and it will be looking like something this. So it comes in a different colors, so you can see gray, red wine, coffee, caramel, black, beige and other colors. So it have a set of 4 and 6. Okay, so to buy you will just click on add to cart, and then you can click on the buy button and then make the purchase. So this is how to buy a dining chair slip cover from TEMU, and I strongly suggest to downloading and installing the TEMU app to save the money.